how to log in to Ubisoft account. So if you want to log into Ubisoft account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search and search for Ubisoft. Go for the first search, which is www.ubisoft.com, and go for visit website. And now you can go for the account option, which will be on the upper right. Click on the account, and here it will take you to login page. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your email and your password. So make sure to enter the correct information. But if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot your password so that you can reset or recover your password and you can log into your account. But if you don't remember your email, or if you don't want to log in with your email, then you can log in with your Facebook, Xbox, Twitch, or PlayStation. So for now, I'll be choosing email and then password. Click on login, and once you click on login, it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Ubisoft account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.